Well, then what did you think of this one?
It's cool. So cool. You like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Pink.
No, what color is that?
Water.
Is it blue?
No. Purple.
Is it purple?
Yeah. It's purple too.
That one's purple too? What color is this one?
Pink.
Pink? It's got a little pink on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What color is this one right here?
This one.
What color is that?
Pink.
Kind of pink. It's red. It's like pink, but not quite.
Pink.
That's pink. Is that your favorite one?
Yeah.
What about this one? Put that one away.
Okay.
What about that one? That's your favorite?
Yeah.
What color is that one? What color is that one? Hoagie. What color? I'm sorry, what'd you say? What color is that one? You fixing it? What color is it? You're gonna put it away? Want that one? Okay, put that one back? You're gonna play with that one?